Imagine this. You finally found the vehicle, the perfect vehicle that you'll be looking for. Good price, good mileage, and you are excited. And you take it to the mechanic, reality hits. Mechanic looks at you and smile. He said, I'll get to it next week. But now, you and I know that when a mechanic says next week, you need to ask what month, because next week we turn to next month if all things go well. Meanwhile, you are stuck. Your money is stuck. You don't have a vehicle to flip. And you see your mechanic on a Facebook vacation, posting a Facebook video. And you'll be like, hey buddy, my vehicle is still on the lift. And you're there having fun. So today, I want to talk about the issue many car dealers are facing. We are facing shortage of auto mechanic in United States. So today, I'm gonna give you at least 2 hacks that you can use in order to deal with this issue, so that you can be able to continue your business and keep moving. At first, I was just like everyone else in this business, looking for mechanics to fix our vehicle. But this hack I'm going to give you is one of the hacks that I use in order to flip everything around. So at first, I was just like everyone else, calling all mechanics all over. And you call this one, he will tell you that he's booked. Can you believe it? One guy even told me that he's booked for 2 weeks. I was like, for 2 weeks? I must well enroll that car in a mechanic school. At least he can graduate before, instead of waiting. But then I realized one thing, that everybody is looking for attention. So I have to change pattern. And this is one of the things that I chose to. Now, I found this one mechanic. His name is Mr. Sanchez. And I told him, Mr. Sanchez, listen, I'm going to be bringing car to you every week. Not when I remember. Not when business is moving or business is going well. I mean, every week, every single week, I'm going to bring cars to you. But in return, and I ask for one thing. The one thing I ask for is priority. And like that, I bring my car and it gets fixed in 1 or 2 days. Because mechanic, they want consistency. They want commitment. Now, the difference is my car get fixed in 1 or 2 days. I was on order dial while others are waiting in line. And you can do the same too. Because in this our business, speed is everything. We're not real estate. We're not in real estate industry where the house continue to appreciate. This is car business. Each car value drops in the moment it goes off the rack. So you have to be fast. You have to be doing your business, flipping vehicles fast. Number 2, you have to know your numbers. In this market, it's all about numbers. Let's be real. Some of us come to the auction and we look inside the engine. We look around. And in our mind, we said, oh, this is not a problem. It's going to cost me only $450. But then, when we get to the mechanic, reality hits. And we start crying when the mechanic says it's going to be $1,000. So this is the hack that I use, and you can use it too. The hack is that I made a mutual business deal with Mr. Sanchez. What I did, it was to Mr. Sanchez is that I bring the vehicle, I have a fixed price that he has to use to fix my vehicles, and I bring the parts. That was the deal. And you can do the same deal too. In that case, when you go to look at the vehicle, you already know your numbers. You already know how much it's gonna cost to fix whatever it is. And if you're confused, all you have to do is go to AutoZone website and look at the parts that you're looking for. Now you know how much Mr. Sanchez is going to use to fix, or your mechanic is going to use to fix this. You have your price. So when you are in front of a seller, a private seller, or you are in front at the auction, you know your numbers. And with that, you can always know when you have a great deal and avoid having bad deals. So my friend, this makes it easy for you. So while others are checking the availability of mechanics, your mechanic is already working on the second car because you have built the relationship with your mechanics, and everything will be fast, smooth. You make your profit, you do what you have to do, and you do your business fast. So here's the rating. We totally agree that mechanics shortage is real, but so is the advantage, so is the opportunity. But if you get yourself together, get your numbers together, be able to find your vehicle, be able to manage customers or your mechanic, you'll be flipping vehicles very fast. The question is not why is there shortage of mechanics. The real question is how can you take advantage of this situation so you can be able to buy cheaper, fix and sell faster, and make more money consistently. Now, my friend, you are in the game.